Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today in the house is something really cool. I got here with me a very nice slider. But before I'm starting here, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out fablades.com if you want to get this one. I got still some available on the website and at Fablades on Instagram if you want to see some pictures. But anyways, let's get started with this fella. This is not a unique one, but a rare one. It's gorgeous. It's in two pieces. Let's just start from this guy. What is this? This is the base for the sword that I'm gonna show you guys. It comes with this pretty cool cylinder box right here, which we don't care. We have a metal base. I believe it's aluminum. You get the best EDC from Tinb in 2022, and then you get this crystal base where you to put your Excalibur, which is you see, it's nicely done. It's 3D printed, and you can see that there's some translucency going on. You just place this thing here and you wait for this guy. I'm just gonna put this on the side for this fella right over here. Just forgot to turn on one light, but it's fine, right? You could see. Look at this beauty right there. You get this nice pink box. There is some tools, certificate of authenticity, extra parts, of course, extra screws, hard case box. Ta-da! Look at this, guys. We get the base, of course, and the sword. It just goes like this, which you can't really see, but from, let's say, a regular angle, it would be something like, here you go, something like this it would look, right? So that would be kind of like on your table, right? How it would look. I thought like, because this is transparent, so if you can light it up from below and then the crystal glow and shine, it would be pretty cool. But anyways, that is a nice base stand, because you don't want this just to lay down on the table like that. You want it just standing like that, like the sword that was in the rock, right? This is Excalibur, guys. This is a pretty cool sliders, very unique one, very complex one, very expensive one, especially this zirconium version going on over here. It is a big one because let me see the size of this fella right there. We get 98 millimeters. We get length 40 millimeters wide and 12 millimeters thick. So it is a big boy, like compared to other sliders like Lautier, Shuffle, Maki, CP3, Wanwu Studio, Bulletproof Shield, Chenyu, Battle Shield. You get the CP2 from Maki again, and Tommy DC Mahjong. I mean, all these are nice, amazing slider, all in ZIrc, but smaller than this fella. Anyways, let's go ahead. Check this bad boy out. I want to just give you right away the weight, because yeah, it's gonna weigh a little bit, right? 151.1 grams in your pocket. You definitely gonna see that. But what is this? Look at this, guys. This is one of the coolest, especially, you know, for a guy like me into knives. Having like a mini sword like this, of course, this is not sharp, this is just a toy. It's just a must. And in ZIrc, it's my favorite material. I couldn't pass on this one. This zirconium is not available, guys. There's only like titanium and bronze currently, and it's gonna be sold out pretty soon, I believe. But this is gorgeous. It's gonna be the same product, but it comes in two parts, the sheath and the sword. It's just beautiful. It's really become one of my favorite toys because of the finish on this thing. Look at this milling going on this sheath, like the chamfering going on over there. You have this a bronze core going on with the Tinb Excalibur and something written over here. Or maybe like that. I really don't know what it means. Let me know in the comments if you know. And then you have the sword, which is gorgeously done. Lanyard option on the handle. Beautiful guard. Look at this hollow grind, compound grind at the tip with a flat grind. dagger sword, kind of double-edged sword, right? You get 4 magnets in the center, right in the core of this sword, milled beautifully. You have an emblem going on over here on both sides, and you are maybe wondering how in this sword they just put this thing together, because I see no screws, right? And I was wondering, I'm like, how did this happen? So how this thing is held together? Magnets. That's the answer. Magnets. Look at that. And 3 pins, 1, 2, and 3, to keep this thing together from sliding around. Of course, you can detach fully this part. You can replace these magnets. You can replace the inside, the plastic parts, and boom. And here you have your sheet. How is this held together? It's the same way. So, but check this out. So you have this the guard right over here that just comes off like so, and has 4 magnets and 4 pins slots on the inside. Look at that. This thing comes off as well. It's very snug fit. Look at this piece, guys. Gorgeous. And then you have the 4 pins exposed. They go through this. They go also on the other side, and they expose the screw where you take it apart. So this guy, see, goes back like so, and this thing just snaps in place. This is a clever solution to a problem that is leading to a very, very clean look. This is a gorgeous one. This thing, of course, is a slider, so it just slides. Guys, look at this. This is really pleasant. The magnets are not strong. You can even, you see that the weight doesn't take it down, so it just stays there. But this is just very good, because quite nice feel, and you got a sword. I mean, this is so cool. I really like this guy. It has become one of my favorite toys. I mean, it looks so good. It feels really good in the hand, and the sound, it's very pleasant. It's not too loud. I like it on this side. It's ambidextrous, so it's not, you know, it's for everyone. And it's just like one of my favorite toys, guys. Looks amazing, sounds incredible, it feels great. The only thing that, you know, if I have a nitpick, I would have preferred maybe stronger magnets, if I have to say something, but I really like it. It's very pleasant. I love these guys. There you have it. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.